Hey everybody, welcome back. I am Stephanie, for those of you that don't know, or Miss Dashing. And as you can tell, I am wearing pink. And if you didn't know, this month is actually Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And this is something that hits close to home. I have had and have known a lot of people that suffer through breast cancer, and just like any other type of cancer, it's a pain in the ass and it's just fucking unfair. And I will say it because why not? So I thought that I should talk about this a little bit. I'm sure you guys know of everything that has to do with breast cancer, but it's never wrong or never a bad thing just to inform you a little more. If you're a girl and if you're a guy, this applies to both of you. So even though this is not my typical video, I thought it deserved a video because everybody should know about breast cancer as any other cancer and know the symptoms and know what they're missing or what they're not paying attention to. So obviously it's not going to be an in-depth video. It's going to touch base on some things. And for further information, I will be linking down below Susan G. Komen's website with everything you need to know, as well as links to donate money for research and more. So if you want to know a little bit about breast cancer, please stay tuned and watch this video. Okay, so I wanted to touch base on three very important things that have to do with breast cancer. First off, what is breast cancer? In the case of breast cancer, like any other cancer, it's when cells overproduce instead of regrowing and dying how it naturally is supposed to go. But here, cells overproduce, leading to masses in the breast. Sometimes these masses can go years without being detected, and that's the terrible thing about breast cancer, that someone can have it and not know about it until they actually feel something in their breast. This goes to number 2. What are the warning signs and symptoms of breast cancer? There are a lot of warning signs and symptoms, but sometimes people get confused because for women, you know that when you're on your period, your breasts get tender, and you can confuse those symptoms with the symptoms of breast cancer. So, just some symptoms that a lot of people should know about is that you should be checking your breast for tenderness, changes in shape, color, rashes, discharge. I know for some of you that you may think that's a lot, but it's true, as well as lumps. If you find a lump in your breast, go get that checked. And it doesn't even matter what age you are, because you'd be surprised. The 2 biggest risk factors of getting breast cancer is being a woman and getting older, but you can have breast cancer at a younger age, and it doesn't just apply to women. Men can get breast cancer too. So check your breasts, ladies and gentlemen, and check them regularly. Ask your doctor if you have any questions, because going to the doctor, getting you checked out can save your life. And the third thing that I wanted to talk to you about is getting tested. Just like I was talking to you previously before, you have to just know your body, know when something's not correct, but also there comes an age when women should be getting their mammograms, and a lot of people, they're either scared because they don't have health insurance, they don't think their health insurance is going to cover it, or they're afraid of the pain. Well, here you go. In most states or most places, getting a mammogram, it does not cost you a penny, and with or without insurance, it shouldn't matter. Your health comes first. And secondly, the pain of a mammogram, and for those of you that don't know what a mammogram is, they get your breast and they smush it down into a very, very thin, you can call it almost like a slice, to check if you have any masses within your breast. So that's why people are afraid of the pain. But if you think about it this way, the pain of a mammogram is nothing compared to something that can happen if a person is diagnosed with breast cancer. So think about it that way. Get a mammogram, get yourself checked out, because that too can save your life. So I know this was a very short video, but I kind of wanted to address this because some people ignore the symptoms, ignore that this happens. It happens to so many people. I'm sure someone you know has breast cancer or some sort of cancer, and it sucks. So if you want to learn more about breast cancer or how you can donate for research for cancer, like I said, I'll be linking that down below. And stay strong, everybody, or anybody that knows anyone with cancer, because you can fight on. And one day, hopefully, we'll find the cure, not just for breast cancer, but for all those diseases that are out there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.